Firstly, I want to say that we are very proud of her. We are very proud of her that she's as a contestant in 2021 Maxim Cover Girl. She will be very outstanding using our hair. She's been using our hair for years, and that's very beautiful. You guys, I hope you guys can vote for her. Let's vote for her. She'll be very outstanding on the platform. And we've been serving a lot of high-class clients for years, and we've been building our brand for years. That's a kind of very high proud. Again, I'm showing this video just want to show you how we are checking the hair quality for the clients before we are shipping the hair out. This is a wig. We make this wig with the bundles and frontal. A lot of clients, they keep asking us how can we handle big quantity, large demand from the clients. So I keep telling them that we have people to check the quality before ship the hair out. Every day is very, very busy. This one. So I will combine this video with the Maxim Cover Girl 2021. You can do the Google research 2021 Maxim Cover Girl. The girl used our hair as a contestant. She is very outstanding on the stage. Very beautiful. This one. So this is the HD lace. This one. Very invisible when this lace apply on the skin. That's very, very proud. It's very high proud for our hair business because we've been serving a lot of high-class clients for years, and they are all very happy with this one. So we use this body wave. We put the hair serum on this wig. This one. Or you can see the very, very clean web. Very clean web. This one is with 3 bundles to make these wigs. Can you please, if you check out the Cover Girl page, if possible, please vote for her. Okay, we're packing now. Yeah, she will receive the hair. This one. Not many, 没有多少啦。那，这个，